everyone. Hope you're all doing good and great. We are going to be working on our third week's assignment. Okay, so hopefully you have all submitted your first and second week's assignment. So for now, I'm just going to show you how you have to complete your third week's assignment. Okay. So without taking too much time, allow me to navigate my platform. So here is the assignments, okay? Third week assignments, and we are going to be using VIM, okay? So the first thing we need to do, of course, we have to log into our terminals. By logging in, if you do who am I, we are going to get AFNOG. Since you have logged in as an AFNOG user, so you are going to see this user AFNOG after running this command. And again, you have to change directory. So actually by default you are already in this directory, so there is no need of running this command again. Rather, you have to run this to download this rc.conf file, which is going to be our workspace. Okay, so by downloading this, and again this URL is not working, so you have to text me inbox and I'm going to share with you the working URL. So don't use this one. This one will not work. Okay. So by having this rs.conf downloaded, we are going to open it. Okay, using this Vim. So Vim, it's a Linux-based. It's a Linux-based text editor which helps us to open any file in Linux operating system. Okay, and by running this command, of course you have to install it first. So if you don't have it installed, you have to install it first. I'm going to show you how to install it, and by having this Vim, you can install it. You can be able to open this rs.conf file by running this command. Okay, so by having this done, you are going to get into this file, and that's when you're going to start working actually our third week's assignment. So here is task number 1. We have to complete. Okay, so we need to, within this file, after opening this file, we need to search the word firewall within this file, and by searching this word firewall, we are going to replace it with the word tree. Okay, so we need to search all instances of the word firewall. Means whenever we have the word firewall, we are going to replace it with the word tree. Okay, so and our task number 2, we're going to do the same thing, but on task number 2 we are going to be searching the jail word and then replace it with the word warden. Okay, and our task number 3, we are going to go to line 97 and we add these asterisk symbols. So by completing this, we are done our third week's assignment. And again, upon completing each task, remember to take the screenshot of the results you got. Okay, so which means we'll end up having 3 screenshots. So to submit them, you can compile them into a single file like Microsoft Word, and then you attach them there, you save it, and then you submit a single file having like these 3 screenshots of 3 tasks. Okay, so without taking much time, allow me to navigate to my terminal. So here is my terminal. So I have to log in. I do AppLog and put my password. So if I do SU, so I need to, okay, actually by just having this, okay, I'm just a normal user, like an AppLog user. If I do who am I, if I hit enter, I'm just going to get this normal user. It's just a normal user. Okay, and to complete this assignment, we need to be a root user. So root user, it's like an administrator in Windows operating system. Okay, so how to get into a root user mode or account? So we need to do SU. SU stands for switch user. So by hitting enter, if I do again who am I. If I hit enter, they are going to tell me that I'm a root, so which means I'm an administrator now. Okay, so for now I am an administrator. So the next step, as I told you, so we have to download this file. Okay, have to download this rs.conf using this fetch command, and we specify the URL. Okay, so this command will not work. So the working one, as I told you, you're going to inbox me on WhatsApp, and I'm just going to share with you the working URL. So the working one is here. So I need to copy this, copy it, and then I paste it. I paste it here. If I do paste, then if I hit enter, I will be able to get my my file being downloaded. So here is the file rs.conf. Sometimes you may just run this command, this command, yes, and then you get something like does not resolve. So you may just run it and then you get like some errors like does not resolve, something like that. So once you get something like that, what you're going to do, you're going to do EE. So EE is again another text editor, the same as VIM, okay, but they work in just somehow different ways. But the purpose of them, they're just the same. It's just to open a file. Okay, so we need to do ee/etc, then /resolve, then hit enter. So by default you may not have this line. Okay, just ignore what I have above. Okay, so just consider what I'm just going to type now. Okay, so once you get that error which says that does not resolve, something like, I don't remember well the exact error, but it's a kind of that error, does not resolve, something like that. Okay, so you need to come into this file and then you add name server, then you put 8.8.8.8, or you can even have this uncommented. These two first lines, you can just uncomment them. Okay, so for me I have them commented, so you can either, I can uncomment them and I have my my file being downloaded, or I can just use this name server. I can add this Google DNS server as like as the one to resolve that URL. Okay, and then to exit, I need to click escape key, then hit enter again, then I'm good to go. Okay, so to clean the space, I need to, you can just do it in two ways. You can do clear, okay, or you can even do Control L just to clear the space. Okay, and so we have downloaded our file. Okay, so the thing we need to do, we need to open it. Okay, how to open it? We need to use this vim rs.conf file. So I need to come here and then I do vim, then rs.conf file, then hit enter. So they are going to tell me that vim not found. So I need to install this tool before I use it. So to install it, I need to do pkg install vim, then hit enter. Okay, so I need to click Y, like to allow the installation process to proceed, then hit enter. So it's now done. So I need to clean the space again. If I do vim, then rs.conf, if I hit enter, see, I'm able to get into the file, which is rs.conf file. Then what's our first task? So our first task is just searching the word file and then replace it with the word tree. And actually we have here the hint, so like how we can just perform this easily. Okay, so we need to come back again here, and then you see, instead of just going on each and every line searching the word firewall, okay, so I think it can just cost you a lot of time. So to do this, like to have this done in a second, so you need to use this way without touching anything, without clicking anywhere, without touching your mouse. Do colon, okay, then percentage, then s slash. So we are searching the word firewall, so we need to type firewall. Okay, firewall, and then we need to replace firewall with the word tree. So you need to specify the word to substitute firewall, so it's tree, and then slash again G. So this G stands for global, which means this command, once I hit enter, this command will affect the entire, like it's going to search the entire file, the word firewall, and then replace it with the word tree, like entirely. Okay, and then I hit enter. So by hitting enter, if I click on up arrow, if I try to go up a little bit by using up arrow, please don't use your cursor or your mouse, just up and down, and up, down, left and right arrows will just do the things. Okay, so we have tree here. So this tree, before we had firewall actually, and now we have tree here. So what you need to do, you have to take the screenshot of this, like the entire screen, showing what you have, the changes you made, and then you save that screenshot. Okay, so by saving that, you are done with task number 1. And then task number 2, we are supposed to search the word jail, and then we replace it with the word warden. Okay, so the same process, the same approach will be just used. Okay, so again, without touching anywhere, without touching your mouse, without touching anything, do colon, then percentage again, s slash. So we are just going to search the word jail. Okay, and then slash again, then warden. Okay, and then slash g. So I've explained what this command does. Okay, then hit enter. So you see here we have warden, and before we had jail. Okay, so, and then by having this, make sure also take the screenshot of the entire screen showing the modifications you made. Okay, by having this, we are going to task number 3. Task number 3, we are supposed to go on line 97, and then we search we put these asterisk symbols on line 97. Okay, so we need to go back to our file again. So actually the thing is, our, like, what we have within this file is not numbered, so you can't know which line is number 97. So what you need to do first, you have to set numbers. You have to number these lines, like the content we have within this file. We are going to number them so that we can easily navigate line 97. How to do that? Again, it's without touching anything. It's colon, put colon, then set space number, then hit enter. So you see we have our lines numbered. So, and we are in 600s. We are in 600s. Okay, so, and we need to like be on line 97 exactly. Instead of just going up, okay, there is a way you can search that line and reach that line in a second. How to do that? Colon again without touching anything, colon again, then write 97, then hit enter. You see, so I have my line 97 here. So what I need to do, I have to add those asterisk symbols here on this line. So I can try to bring the content I have on this line below it. So actually, so the thing is, within this file, I'm not able to do anything. Like I can't delete, I can't add, I can't do anything. So for me to be able to modify this file, I need to be in an insert mode. Okay, so how to be in an insert mode? You just need to click only I, letter I, and then if you try to look here down, we have this word insert, which means we are in an insert mode. Okay, so by getting into this mode, I am able to delete, I'm able to add, I'm able to modify this file the way I want. Okay, so On line 97 we have some like content on it. Okay, so I can decide to bring this content below this line by hitting enter and have this line like empty, so having no content. And from here I can be able to add my asterisk symbols. So I can just you can just add whatever number you want, and then you take the screenshot of this again. Make sure the screenshots will also show the line where these asterisk symbols are on. Okay, take the screenshot of this and then you are good to go. Okay, so let me show you like the example of the. Okay, by having this means you have 3 screenshots, so you have to open your like Microsoft Word. Okay, so and I'm just going to show you what I did. Okay, so you can just open your Microsoft Word and then you attach them, like you attach your screenshots like this. So you have to click on pictures and then this device and then downloads, and let me search for my tasks. Yes, I have task 1 is here, so it's task 2. You can start by task 1. Okay, then insert. So you can even name this as task number 1. You can just call it task 1, and then you put also task 2 design, then no, sorry, insert, then pictures, and this device, task 2. So for me, I've just did this before, that's why I have my screenshot there. And then task number 3. Week 3. I mean, it's task 3, sorry. Task 3. And then insert it. So, and then you have to save this. So you can just call it, so let me just call it week 3 assignment methods 1, and then I save it. So by saving it, if I try to come here, go to submission area, and then assignment name, you can just copy this and then paste it there, and description, so you can just leave it as it is without adding anything. And then I need to search my file is here, then I upload it. After uploading it, I click submit. So I'm done with the submission of my 3rd week assignment. Okay, so by having this done, you have to wait to be graded. So this is all you need to have your 3rd week's assignments done and submitted. So hopefully you're going to follow this tutorial and ensure you all submit your assignments as soon as possible. So have a good day.